What's up everybody, my name is Ibra and welcome to my channel. In this episode I'm going to prepare the front bumper of my BMW 325 TDS E36. I have shown this car in a couple of videos already. I really enjoy driving this car. This is 2.5 liter diesel engine. I think from the factory it's like 143 horsepower, I'm not really sure. We fit a 6-speed manual transmission to this one. I have prepared the Aero front bumper for this car. So in this episode we are going to remove this front bumper. We will glue the Aero add on it and fit this back. Now I'm in a location to get a steering wheel for a friend. This guy prepares custom steering wheels, and we got an offer for like a nice offer for Volkswagen Golf 5 GTI steering wheel, as far as I remember. I'm waiting for him to come and bring me the steering wheel. Let's see how the steering wheel looks like. I will show you quickly, and after that head to the garage, prepare the car, remove the bumper. Eventually I will change the wheels, I will set the rear springs. I really can't wait to see this car in a decent shape. It's really fun to drive this car. I really enjoy driving it. It has a lot of mods on it. So we are waiting. So this is the steering wheel. This is the great offer for my friend. This has pedals. It's really in a good shape according to me. I met this guy before in an event, and when we saw the listing I immediately contacted him and he kept the steering wheel for me. So this is going home with me. So I have created a little workstation here. I put those 3 tires, I will put the bumper on it, and after that I will fit the Aero bumper on this, so I have somewhere stable and lighting as well. So there are only 4 nuts here that are 13 that I will be able to remove it. And this bumper will come off immediately. And this is the bumper. and the Aero bumper installation is just done. I would totally recommend, if you think that you will be doing clumsy stuff, you won't be able to fit it, and you are looking for perfection, working with a shop. But if you are driving and doing stuff on your car for yourself, so just go ahead. What I've done is a couple of remarks. Here there's a scratch, here a bolt slid off from my hand, and overall the bumper just fits perfectly. The problem with the aftermarket parts are they might not fit all the time properly, so I had to put this support bolts, here one, here one, here one, here one, here one, from the sides, here and here as well. And I'm really glad that finally I'm completing the car that I wanted, that I've planned, at least visually. I'm going to go through, like, I'm going to wait for a little to the silicone to get cold or warm or whatever to stick properly, and after that I fit it on the car and I will show you in daylight how it looks like, and eventually I will wax the car and try to make it more shiny. So from today, just that's all. I'm going to take off, head out, relax a little bit, chill with some friends. Tomorrow I'm going to show you how the bumper looks like on daylight, and I'm sure you will just like this. I gave a quick wash to this car. I totally admire this look. As I said before, I purchased this car in 2021 March. Ever since then, I have pictured this car with this body kit, with the Aero bumpers, with Zender spoiler, with some different type of side skirts. This is what I pictured in my mind ever since the day I purchased this car, and this is the final result. I mean, there is some trim work. I have to wax the car. Wheels are temporary. I have 17-inch wheels that are really wide, really nice. They will fit really perfect to this car, but I totally admire this look on this car. It's a strange day, it's very cold day actually, but it's very sunny in the same time. For time being, I have postponed the trims that I have to fit here. I have the trim, but I have to cut some pieces to fit it perfectly. And this is the last trim that I have to put. But overall, this is just the final result that I've admired, that I've dreamed about it, and I have the final result. So thank you for watching the video. Please hit the button subscribe to support me, and there will be more videos of this stunning BMW E36 325.